Hi guys, today joining me in the kitchen I have wonderful entertainment, TV host, YouTuber, everything galore, Miss Joslyn Davis.
Hi, can you come with me everywhere I go so that I can have that introduction? I feel amazing now.
Well, I feel like you have that due. I mean, you are fantastic. You're all over YouTube. You're an entertainment host. Tell them what you do.
Oh my gosh, yeah. So I work for Clever, where I kind of split my time doing entertainment news, as well as some fun personality content in the beauty and lifestyle space. We even dabble in food, but we are nowhere near your expertise.
Should I be worried? Should I be watching my back for any sort of? No.
I mean, maybe.
Let's go check out some Clever TV food recipes. I'm excited to see them.
It's definitely not this high end, but honestly, I love that there are very few ingredients here.
Well, this is definitely not a high end dish, and I thought this would be the perfect meal to make for, like, it's a quick cooking one. It only takes a few ingredients.
Love that.
So we are going to make a creamy spinach gnocchi. It is very simple to make. As you can see, we've only got a few ingredients: some cream, some store-bought gnocchi, some peas, some spinach, and a little bit of garlic and crushed pepper. Literally, you most likely are going to have the majority of the ingredients in your house. So very simple to do.
This is literally my love language right
Really?
here. Like,
Really?
Vegetables, cream, and then this is a huge thing of olive oil.
That's not wine. Don't be distracted by it.
I would actually love it if it was wine as well. If we could get some of that on set, that would be fantastic.
Organize that. We could organize that. These go straight in to cook really quickly into a big pot of boiling water, which we're gonna do. So you're gonna have to come with me.
Okay, I'm ready.
Go heavy. Get in there with the gnocchi, and then we're gonna cook these up just for 2 to 3 minutes. You want them to be squishy with a little bite to them.
Okay,
so
cool.
These are gonna cook off. We're gonna leave them to cook. Well, let's go on with the sauce. Come back over to the sauce.
Come on over.
Okay, add a little bit of olive oil in there. We need about a tablespoon or so going in here.
Okay, so a tablespoon is like the big spoon.
Just go a good glove and you're fine. No, that's perfect. That's perfect. We've got it on a low heat. We're gonna add in a little touch of garlic. You're gonna fry that off until it starts to become aromatic.
All right.
A little bit of red chili flakes go in alongside our garlic. You don't have to add that, but it adds a nice bit of bite.
I like a little red chili flake.
We're going to add to this our spinach. So a nice handful of spinach.
Fantastic.
She is a natural.
Look at me with this stirring that I'm doing.
I love it. I love it.
Ooh, sizzling now.
So right now we're getting all that waft of garlic and that beautiful red chili flake. We're going in there with some frozen peas, which are actually going to reduce down the temperature that's in there. At this point in time, our gnocchi is done.
Really?
Yeah. So
it's like you timed this or something.
Look, you can see that the gnocchi is done because it has all risen to the top. So I'm going to drain this. You keep stirring.
Okay, I'm going to keep stirring.
So drain out your beautiful gnocchi. And then we're gonna take that over in the pot.
Also, you can get a really good facial steam at the same time.
I always say that!
That's why you have such good skin, right?
There you go.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this, this looks beautiful. In alongside the peas and the spinach, we're going in there with cream.
You like Himalayan salt? This looks special.
So I feel like Himalayan salt is the most LA thing.
Is it overrated? Tell me the truth. I need to know.
It has a lot more minerals than normal salt does have. So I mean, if you're using it for those properties, fantastic. So this is pretty much good to go. We're gonna basically cook this just until that cream reduces a little bit and kind of becomes a little thicker.
Are you kidding me? This is it? Like we've just done a recipe?
This is it. While we wait for our cream to reduce down, I have a little pop quiz for you.
I am here for it. Let's do it.
Okay, so this is the Great Irish Slang Pop Quiz with Joslyn Davis.
Dun, dun.
Let's do it. First Irish slang phrase or word is crack. We're going out to have the crack.
Honestly, that sounds like something illegal I'm not allowed to be a part of. That sounds like some felonious activity.
Okay, now we know what the Valley girl got up to.
Is that like drugs? It's not drugs?
It's not drugs. Having a good time out.
I wish I would have said that at Coachella when I was there. Let's go have a crack.
But I think in Coachella you would have got something completely different. So probably at Coachella you were with all your friends and you were out on the lash.
Oh my gosh, out on the lash?
You were out on the lash. What were you doing?
Like whiplash, your head getting tossed around, or being struck with a whip. That doesn't sound great.
No, it's not.
I have no idea.
Okay, well I tell you, it means to go out drinking.
Well, I might have done that like 4 nights in a row.
I tried to help you. I thought, maybe.
Let's go out on a lash.
Let's go out on the lash. Next phrase is if like I'm with a group of guys and I go, oh, she's a real ride.
A crazy person? That's what I typically get.
It basically means you are super sexy. So
what a ride?
I don't know if it's a term of endearment in a really kind of creepy way, but yes, you're a ride.
Do you ever use these terms when you're out and about with friends who are also from Ireland as like a secret language? Because you should. That
I didn't
really
realize
cool.
that most American people wouldn't understand this when I said it, so I'm totally going to be using this.
You
this
really, really should.
Okay. Do you know what the jacks are?
Something you do at like the gym, like jumping jacks?
If you're going to the jacks, you are not going to the gym. You have maybe 2 main reasons to go to the jacks.
Oh, the bathroom?
The bathroom!
That one right! Oh my
I love that we involved food in the jacks. Anyway, now my mom used to always say when I was a kid, I was acting the maggot.
You're being bad.
Yes, you're being a jerk. I feel like I'm gonna give you that one. We have 2 more.
Okay, I'm ready.
So the next one is like, if I tell you I can't come out tonight for a drink because I'm knackered.
I'm hungover.
No.
Tired?
Yes.
Oh, knackered.
Knackered. I'm
like
knackered.
I'm tuckered out.
The last one is.
Last one, okay.
If I'm giving you the glad eye, I've come into the room.
Like a happy eye.
I'm giving you the glad eye.
It's a happy eye.
It's a happy, yes, it's
Or
it's
is it like,
definitely a
I
happy
have something to say to you? You gotta get over here. Or is it like a flirtatious thing? Like.
You're in the right direction, yeah. Do you want to know?
Yes.
It's if you have a crush or you're in love with
Oh,
someone,
that's
they've got the glad eye for you. Yeah. If there's any Americans out there who are watching this and you didn't know any of those, please let us know which was the most confusing. I feel like they could help you out.
And keep it real. I don't feel like any of you knew any of those. Okay, I want honesty.
No. They're gonna go in and tell you they knew everything.
Lies,
it's fine.
all lies.
Right, we've got a cream sauce, we've got gnocchi. Pile it all in there.
Wow.
We're gonna get them straight in there. Give it a good mix up.
Okay, this I cannot believe I was involved in.
Did
this
you?
looks fantastic.
Doesn't it feel like you could make that? Like,
because this is
really
stuff that I typically would have. I would gladly buy.
You'll be buying it now, right?
This is beautiful. Okay, wait, what are you doing now?
Next level stuff. Okay, because remember you have a lot of creaminess in there.
So you have to counterbalance it with citrus.
She's getting it. I love it. So we're going in there with a touch of lemon juice, and I'm squeezing it through my hands so that I get rid of any of the pips. So give that a good mix too, just so that it doesn't split on us. Hit me up with that in there. I'm gonna grab some Parmesan cheese.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna bring this next level.
And I honestly think presentation is everything.
Right.
Because I've been tricking people for years by buying pre-made food, but putting it on a bed of arugula on a plate and being like, oh, I really slaved over this quiche. But I got it from Whole Foods.
So you just bought in the quiche, basically?
Yeah, you put it on a bed of like beautiful greens, and then you're like, look what I've made.
See, this is where you need to go eat with Joslyn Davis. This is fantastic.
Come on over.
She'll be making gnocchi after this.
Exactly.
I'm gonna add a tiny bit more, and
Okay.
then we're gonna finish it off with a little touch of Parmesan cheese just over the top. I mean, come on.
Aged cheese is the best, by the way.
Which one?
I'm very into cheese.
Okay.
I love an Asiago or a Parmesan. It's just, there's something.
See, you told me you weren't a foodie, and now you're talking about aged cheeses, variations.
Well, I'm a little snobby about my cheese and my coffee, but beyond that, I'm still learning, honestly.
Well, you've got to try some and let me know what you think.
Okay.
This is the moment
Gotta
of proof.
get a little bit of everything
You
in
gotta
this
get
bite.
the peas, you got to get the spinach.
Okay. Oh my God.
Isn't it so good? And literally, you got a handful of ingredients.
My face is like twitching on the inside. This, and it's spicy, the red pepper. You guys, this is so easy to make. It wasn't even TV magic.
You're here.
Oh my gosh.
You saw it happen. Now, if you want the full recipe for this, it is super simple. We will leave you a link in the box below where you'll get it on my website. You have to check out, well, we have to talk about fashion.
Yeah. So anyone who's watching this video as a result of knowing who I am knows that I'm really into fashion. Wearing the things that express yourself and not being afraid to do that. If you want to wear socks with Birkenstocks, you do you.
You do you, girl.
Exactly. So I'm making these shirts and I'm actually selling them. I'm giving all of the proceeds to an awesome charity.
What is the charity?
It's called A Sense of Home, and they basically provide housing kits to kids who have just come out of the foster care system,
great.
so that they have a place to live once they don't have a home anymore. So it's a really, really cool charity here in LA.
So go get a t-shirt. Where can they get them?
You can get them. Check my Instagram at Joslyn Davis. I'll have all the details, and also you get a cool shirt, fashion.
Well, I want to wear my fashion shirt with my tennis shoes and look really
I'm
cool.
gonna send you one. One for the whole family.
I'm gonna
and
buy
the
one.
dog.
I'm gonna buy one,
And the
like you
dog.
guys, like you guys. Listen, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe video. She is fantastic. I hope we'll do lots more recipe videos together.
I would absolutely love to.
We
I've
should do
learned
a whole
lot.
cookery course. I feel like we'll just work through the dishes one by one.
Cookery course?
Done.
That sounds great.
Guys, subscribe to the channel, leave us a comment below, and make sure you head over to your channel.
Yep,
and
Clever.
to
We have a
Clever.
ton of channels.
Yes, indeed. Check them out. We'll leave the links below, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.
Bye, guys.
Question, go.
Why salt and not like MSG? Why is MSG bad for you?
Why is MSG?
I feel like I would really like it.
Have you been cooking with MSG?
No, but I've considered it, but I can't find it in the store.
There's a reason MSG is used because it's like incredibly salty and incredibly addictive. So don't use MSG. Joslyn, rule number one. Don't use MSG.